Racing Jazz is started with Juicy rushing about the outside is Charm Away. Then next online Salaming's Conqueror comes next. Moving about the outside Blue Jazz shows with significant smash. Battle Hill comes next. Then followed now by Wise Ways, My Suerte Ako. Then next online is Daman Surya while Xavier is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader we have significant smash. Moving up on the outside, running by the release Juicy. Then next online now is number 6, and this one is Salamings. Alongside comes Charm Away, then comes Conqueror. Wise Ways is down on the inside. My Suerte Ako comes next. Blue Jazz moving up now on the outside is Daman Surya. Battle Hill second last, while Xavier is still racing in 11th as they swing for home. Oh, we have number 4, or rather Salamings is still in control. Moving up down on the inside is Juicy by about 2 lengths. A significant smash. Charm Away is on the outside, but it's still Juicy. Charm Away moving up on the outside, and finally it's going to be Charm Away, Conqueror, significant smash. Then comes number 6, Salamings, Juicy.